This video is to share how I'm a living, walking testimony of God's grace through the help of my mom, Kukuwa Nuamah, and her program, KUWA VIZURI. I was diagnosed with lupus when I was 11 years old. I've been through everything under the sun. Arthritis, hair loss, weight loss, gout, you name it, I've had it. In 2006, 2007, I was actually paralyzed from the waist down. I had nerve damage called transverse myelitis. We were in the hospital for about 6 months. We tried everything, different doctors, spinal taps, shock therapy treatments. Nothing was working. The doctor said I'm just going to be paralyzed for the rest of my life and that I actually only had a couple months left to live because my body was so weak and deteriorating. My mom refused to accept this diagnosis and we signed out of the hospital. I was 19 and we signed out. She started me on a naturopathic regimen. She detoxed my whole system through a fiber cleanse so that she could get out the toxins of the medications they had pumped into my system while I was in the hospital. And then started me on a juicing regimen. We were juicing for five to 7 times a day, just the juicing. Within 2.5 weeks of that, I had feeling in my right foot. We then started on raw fruits and veggies in addition to the juicing, and I was slowly getting better. I transitioned from a walker to crutches to a cane to full strength back in my legs. That was 12 years ago. I am now walking, running, teaching Kukuwa African dance, loving and enjoying life, just living. It was amazing. I can't stress how much switching to that naturopathic program helped me and worked for me. It was tough, and yes, you have to stick with it, but my mom was there every step of the way, coaching me, teaching me, and giving me recipes and things that I could do to stay on track. Her KUWA VIZURI program is awesome. It's not just for lupus, it's for whatever you're going through. It's helpful. Even if you don't have anything you're going through, just to get on a healthy track and a healthy lifestyle, it is awesome. I recommend it for anyone. I mean, I feel great. I have no complaints. I am so blessed to have a mother who has this program and to be able to say that I can live, walk, run, dance, jump, everything. I feel great. My lupus hasn't been acting up, flared up, or bothered me. So I encourage everyone to get out, give it a try. If you have anything, or like I said, if you just want to live a healthy lifestyle, try it out.